guys back with another video. So today we're going to be making unicorn poop slime. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell when I post new videos. Okay, let's go on to making the slime. Okay, so you're going to need a 1/2 cup measurement, a tablespoon, some colorings if you want it to be unicorn poop slime. You want lotion and glue and a bowl with a spoon in it so you can mix. Okay, so you're going to measure a 1/2 cup of glue. Okay? Glue. Okay? And you want to pour your glue into your bowl. Get your spoon, and then you're going to wipe the inside of your measuring cup so you can get all of this glue. Okay. Wow. Looks so cool. Okay? And then you want to measure 2 tablespoons of lotion. Since I'm almost out, I'm going to be opening the cap. I'm going to be pouring it like this. Looks so cool. Oh! You could always add more if you want it to be fluffier. Slime. Okay? The inside, you want to get your spoon and rub the inside of your measuring spoon so you can get a fluffier slime. Okay? You want to put this measuring spoon into your measuring cup. Okay, you put your cup back on your lotion. Close it so it doesn't spew out lotion. And then you want to mix your lotion and glue together until it looks like one color or it just looks like white glue. Okay? You don't want to add your food coloring yet, so this is why this makes it unicorn poop. You want to leave it white, and at the end you're going to separate it, and then you're going to add your colors separately, okay? Oh wait,